Yo, man. Yo, play school, you freak. Why you living at this? Fuck, man. You'll get used to it, don't worry. Let's go inside. Mom's waiting for you. She's longed to see your face. Yo, dog, the way my comb up my leg frozen. Let me see if I can move it. Alright. Yo, wait now.
Andy, you're finally here. I missed you.
So you're just gonna stand there, you're not gonna greet your mother and give her a hug?
Well, go on, mommy. Mommy, that house is really nice and spacious.
Well, of course, you expect me to live here and not live somewhere big. It has to be spacious.
So how much bedroom? 7? 10? How much in here? Big man. Love it.
You missed me, Anthony. Hi. My name's Karen. I'm Andy's wife. You are handsome.
What's wrong with you, Karen?
And you need to relax. Your brother is handsome. Don't take it personal. It's just a compliment.
Hi, I'm Brittany. You're my uncle, right? Can you please buy me an iPhone?
Yeah, man, sure. When we settle in, me get the iPhone.
Well, make sure it's the latest brand, please, and thank you.
Brittany, what did I say about begging people? He just got here, and you're already talking about iPhone. Didn't we just get you an iPhone? You're too spoiled. You're not getting no more iPhones.
First of all, Dad, you bought me the old iPhone. I want the new one.
Andy is just... Yeah, I should talk to you like that?
You guys are so stupid. Don't mind her, Anthony. She's just growing. You know, she's maturing and she needs to express herself. She'll be fine. I'm gonna go cook.
Yo, dog, you can't make a little girl talk to you, so you know. Yo, stop worrying about me and my kid, man. Just easy.
Oh my god, you can't sit in the pie.
So, mommy, how going with you? Long time no see. How come you can't visit Jamaica?
You mad? I'm not going back down there, sir. For what? Nothing's there for me. But anyways, what happened with Octavia?
Octavia good man, she live so in Canada.
What you saying? Where in Canada?
I thinking of Toronto or so. How far is that from here? Want to look fair.
It's not very far. A 2-hour drive. It won't take you long. Well, if you take a car, it won't take long. If you take the train, it will take a while. But you'll reach there in no time. Why you want to look fair?
Nothing, man. I just want to make sure she and they are alright. You know, check on them.
Please don't tell me you're still into her.
Why try some of me? What wrong with Octavia?
I always expected that you would have find a nice girl to settle down with.
Well, me recently get divorced. I just, you know, kinda take it easy.
You got to be kidding me, Anthony. You're just taking it easy. You're getting older now. You need to find a woman.
Oh, me alright, okay?
You're not gonna sit here and tell me you're alright. Sometimes I have to look at things and laugh. I can't believe you go around and breed so much girl. You don't shame.
When we come now, man, we're not in an argument, alright?
I am not arguing with you. Why you always have to say that? I'm just talking.
I love all of my pitney them, okay? I don't regret them or nothing. Can we please just enjoy the time while I'm here?
Oh God, you're still just like your father.
Nothing wrong with that, mommy. Daddy great.
I just feel like you need to better your life, like your brother Andy. He's working. He has a nice little family. That's all I want for you. It's not like Sam judging you or trying to make you feel away. I just expect better from you. Not to have 10, 15 baby mothers, children running all over the place. How is that gonna balance you out, Anthony? Come on, son. Do better. I know a man that can help you get your citizenship so you can come and live here in Canada. Don't you think that's a good idea?
Yeah, as long as me can bring my kids them here, I not a problem with that.
You have to be kidding me. And where are all of them going to go? Where am I gonna put them? This is only a 3-bedroom house, Anthony. I don't have room for all of your children, them. I don't understand what you're worrying about. They have their mothers. They can stay in Jamaica. You have the house down there. What do you think me and your father build up that house for? For honor. So your children them can stay in there and you come up here and do better for yourself. I don't see no sense of you staying in Jamaica. What are you accomplishing staying in Jamaica, Anthony? Come on, man. Use your head. It makes no sense for you to stay there. They're all getting bigger. Them soon go off to college. I don't know what Jackson is going to do with himself, but that's none of your problem. That's the problem of his mother. But anyways, I want you to come here and work with Andy, okay?
Yo, relax, man. I know you're pitney, alright? Still kinda nervous. Don't worry, man. After you find out you're your pitney, we'll go home and link Shanti. Yeah, man, our mother's supposed to come to meet her. Hello doctor, how's Keisha? And how is the baby? And I would like to know the DNA results as well.
I'm sorry. I have to inform you that Keisha passed away during childbirth. And we won't have the DNA results until 6 weeks.
What? What? Oh, God, man.
You're allowed to bring the baby home, but it's up to you whether or not you want to give her up for adoption.
So doctor, that's all you have to say to me? That's it? So daddy, what go on? Who's the baby father? We know it's not Richard. Sebastian, we don't have time for you to think about that. Keisha passed away during childbirth. I'm so sorry, Richard. I'm so sorry.
I don't understand why I'm bringing her home for. I'm not even know if Richard Pitney or not. Why Rick's into this? You sure enough him, baby? I'm too indulgent at this. David, please. It's nothing like that. It's just that Rick always did want a daughter. So I get. Look how the Pitney white. Me not think a Richard Pitney that. I Pitney that too white for be. Look on her. How a white man baby that. Shereen. You need to get that Pitney out of your house. Because you cannot take care of the baby there. You're too old.
Oh, who's that cute baby? Yes, you are. Yes, you are. So cute. Sebastian, where's your brother? Him haven't come looked at the baby at all. What wrong with him? I think I'm still in a shock, daddy. Ring a ring a ring, school bell a ring.
Knife and fork, a fight for dumpling. Booyaka, booyaka. Shabba ranking, shabba ranking. Eh, eh. What's your dance? You know, for your jacket, you're really pretty. The doctor said the baby is healthy. I'm glad for that. Rick, move like you have sense.
Shireen, don't worry about it. Everything will be alright.
I don't understand why you're taking
the
me
baby
so
in the
well.
hospital and a fear for Shaban, and I had an idea. We don't know if a Richard Pitney or not. So can you imagine leaving your grandchild in the hospital?
But you don't know if it's a grandbaby or not.
Or you want me to take the chance to leave her or abandon her?
E Glubadon, Wazuruchi Gleno Zarababa, What's it? We gonna do Reba to Grada, Sanduka Sheep, Wop Body.
Richard, come here, man.
Doba Jawa, Yanni Hart, Bobo Babu.
Look here, son. I have to know if anything happened, we're there for you. Daddy, we just can't deal with this, alright? Wait for my baby. In high school, I don't want to take care of the baby, daddy. Like, it was just one mistake. Why turning at this? I know Keisha did too. Like, we can't deal with this. You have to just stay positive, son, alright? Daddy, I'm going to stay positive. There's a madness going on now. You have to take responsibility, Richard. And plus, you have we for help you. Even Sebastian. Him can't change diaper. Nope, bad man don't change diaper. Don't pray, brother, man. I'm gonna help you change the diaper. Trust me, after a while you get used to it. I'm gonna make her one buckle. Look on the bright side. The baby make you get more girl. So just walk on with her, and more girl look by you. Sebastian, that'll be nice. I'm not thinking about no girl right now. Him have more things to deal with than girl.